Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
When we started CoinSwitch, the vision was that we wanted to simplify crypto for everyone, right? So crypto is not very easy to understand for a normal people, right? So the platforms which we have built, anybody can invest without any prior knowledge about trading, without any prior knowledge about blockchain. You just need to log into our system and you can switch one crypto to another.
I'm very passionate about making sure that customer problem are being solved. We are a very early stage startup. We are trying to make sure that everything what we have built and what we need to build, we can make sure that the customer is feeling really great about it.
I think it started with simplicity. Crypto is very complex. It was easy for us to understand. We come from engineering background, understood the code. Code is our language, right? But it is not very clear to say my parents or to say my brothers and sisters, right? How do I make it simple enough for them to understand the concept behind it and participate in this economy?
I was actually giving a product management talk on one of the LinkedIn forums, and one of the CoinSwitch employees reached out to me saying that I would be a great fit for the company. And after speaking to the founders, I was absolutely aligned on the vision of the company, and that's when I decided to join CoinSwitch Kuber.
We're hustlers, we fail fast, and whatever we do, we give our blood, sweat and soul to it. So yeah.
So there's two ways to answer it. One is where you don't really have any clarity in terms of what the problem is, and you end up trying to just fish and find something. The other problems we have a lot of details about, because crypto might be new, but just secure financial transactions are not.
So remote working has been a very new and different experience. I think we all are still getting used to it right now. But the experience at CoinSwitch has been different because there's no remote per se as such out there. People have been very warm and welcome, so I do not feel that I'm still alone or working at my home secluded in a way. So it has been a new and a very comfortable experience for me as of now.
So I think one of our core policies in CoinSwitch is customer comes first. And whenever there's a small query or big query raised by any of our customers, the complete team is involved in resolving that query at the earliest.
Every day is a new day. It's a dynamic market and hence a dynamic workspace. So it's a challenge, but it's exciting.
So the solutions we come up with when we disagree turn out to be something which is more effective for sure than something which we all agree upon.
Every single one of it. Whenever we take any decision, we look at a lot of data, we look at a lot of experimentation, we look at a lot of problem solving from the customer lens, right? We keep a very close tab of what our users are saying.
Oh yes, absolutely. Super passionate. I think it's going to be the future. Think of how the internet was when it was not even adopted, right? People made fun of it. I think we're on that early adoption stage right now where things are going to change and a lot of inefficiencies in the system are going to be removed because of cryptocurrency. So yes, it is going to be the future of India.
At CoinSwitch, we are trying to build an employee-first culture. All you need to have is three things: passion beyond degrees, positive mindset, and willingness to take risk.
Hustle.
You.
Are we good? Yeah. Hey, that was easy, yeah? Not bad.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.